In the event of an unexpected home disaster, such as a burglary or fire, restoring or replacing your personal belongings can be a difficult and costly feat. That's why it's important to protect these items with personal property coverage. Personal property coverage is the portion of your homeowner's insurance policy that can provide reimbursement for the cost of stolen, damaged, or destroyed items in your home due to a covered event. Here are the 4 main things you should know about personal property coverage. This coverage can help pay recovery or replacement expenses for your stolen, damaged, or destroyed personal belongings, such as furniture, clothing, or electronics. Covered events typically include fires, theft, and vandalism. This coverage typically does not cover the full cost of high-value items, such as collectibles and jewelry. In addition, most policies exclude events such as floods, earthquakes, misplacement, or normal wear and tear of an item. Such events and high-value items might require specialized coverage. Because there are 2 different types of personal property coverage, replacement cost and actual cash value, make sure you review your policy to understand which coverage you have. Keep in mind that you will have to pay a deductible before your personal property coverage kicks in. This coverage is also subject to a limit, which is the maximum amount your policy will pay for a covered claim. Be sure to maintain an up-to-date home inventory and take photos of all of your personal belongings to properly determine the amount of coverage you need. For additional homeowners insurance guidance, contact us today.